But when we talk about, you know, what is the deadline and the timeline, this is very much a risk-based approach as we go into when this regulation becomes final. For example, when the UDI proposed ruling becomes law, well, for instance, it turns out to be tomorrow, truly 12 months from now, some things will be accountable to comply. So those are with the Class 3. If most of us are familiar in the medical device, that Class 3 are the highest risk, such as stents and some of the implantables. So it's those Class 3 devices are highest risk, so therefore they will be held accountable for compliance for the soonest. And if you don't understand the basics of what happens if you don't comply with UDI, it's really very simple. Wherever you fit in the timetable, if you do not comply with the FDA, given exceptions, etc., you will not sell your product in the U.S. This is not about getting a 483 or getting a fine. This is truly about meeting compliance, or you will not sell your product. So as we start to go down looking at some of the Class 2, looking at Class 1, you can see the timeline start to break down. I do have a direct part marking required for certain devices 2 years after they are otherwise covered by the regulation. Please know we're hearing a lot of discussion that this is another area for direct part marking for exemption and/or exception and/or some modifications and clarification around that proposed rule as we see it now.